Hey, how's it going? My name is Cristiano. Good to have you here. Today, we're gonna take an honest and transparent review of Stealth. Stealth is a product by Jonah Armstrong. Um, it is a product by Jonah Armstrong. So this is a member area. In this member area, you're gonna find like a step-by-step training tutorial that's gonna teach you about how you can inbox people email without even having their email address, right? So for instance, I have an example here for you to see. This is an email from somebody else. I mean, the email address from somebody. On the top right here, you can see add, right? So you will your email gonna pop up right on the top of people email. So how you can inbox people is pretty easy, right? So this training tutorial gonna teach you how you can uh, send those messages and how you can set up a Google Adword, and it will teach you also how you will find a product to um, promote. Okay, so I highly encourage you to kind of grab a copy of Stealth. Okay, so by the end of this video, I will also walk you through to my bonuses. I have great bonuses that I've reserved for you, and that you will not find it somewhere else. Only in my review that you wanna find my bonuses. Okay, so for instance, as I said, uh, it is a step-by-step training that will teach you how you will use Gmail ad. Okay, it is a step-by-step training that's gonna teach you how you're gonna use Gmail ad, right? So if you can come in my file, we're gonna see this little mini definition. It says Stealth is a detailed step-by-step video course showing you how to use the latest Gmail ad inside Google Adwords. This allows you to show up in hundreds of thousands of people's inbox via a natural-looking Gmail ad. These ads look like regular email. They are permanently shown on the top of the inbox, right? So as I showed you in this picture, it is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So it looks like regular email and people can click on it, right? And if you have a very good headline, and you will make some sale. It is pretty powerful. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna walk you through the upsells that they have in this wonderful product. Um, so one of the upsells that they have in here is so the front end is just $12 with just $12.95, which is literally $13. With just $12, you're gonna have access to the all trainings. You're gonna teach you step by step how to open a Google AdWords account, right? How to set up your ads, right? You're gonna walk you through how to select your product, how you can create an account with JVZoo. Um, uh, it will show you how to create an account with Warrior Plus, how you can um, find product in those platforms, right? You're gonna explain everything with just $12, right? So the upgrade, which is upsell number one, it is limitless traffic for 365 days. So what this is that During any launch that Jono and Brendan have, their sales pitch usually is hit by thousands and hundreds of thousands of people. So what is they are saying that they're gonna put your pixel on their sales page, right? They're gonna put your pixel on their sales page, and you're gonna take advantage of the hundreds of thousands of visitors on the sales page, which is pretty good. And the option number two is $37. Um, this is a advanced training that's gonna show you how you can retarget your audience, which is pretty good. And upgrade number three, it's $1,000 commission solution. Though they have a um, um, high ticket product that they sell through a webinar. So they're gonna give you that for just 197. So this product is usually sell almost $2,000 if I do remember, and you're gonna get that for just 197. So this is a pretty good deal right there. So the upgrade number four, it is a done for you option, which is 10 eye converting funnels ready to plug and play. So that one also I really highly recommend. Then the option number five, which is the license right. You're gonna use Stealth as your own product, and you can sell it as your own product and get 100% of the benefits, which is pretty good, right? So, walking you through to my bonuses over here. As you can see, my first bonus is a timeless traffic. This bonus you will find it nowhere else, but in my just buying my to my link. So timeless traffic is a series of training that's going to teach you how you can get traffic. You know, in affiliate marketing, the most important piece of cake is traffic, right? If you know how to get traffic, where to get traffic, you're the king. Okay, so in this training, it is a series of, like, I believe 6 to 7 series of training that's going to teach you step by step where to get traffic, how to promote your product, and where you can find free traffic, high converting traffic, and paid traffic, which is pretty good. So the second one is a chat box, right? With chat box, you can build your list and you can promote your product also through chatbot. My third one is a bonus on how, it's on branding actually from Journal, on how you can warm your new subscriber, your new email subscribers. And my last one is how to write a compelling headlines. You know, with Stealth, you're gonna need to have very great headline in your emails, right? So if basically you put something that people don't even matter, they won't click in your email, they won't click in your ads. But if you have a very compelling headline, once people are gonna see it, oh my god, I have to click on this link, right? So that is how you're gonna make your sales, right? So um, you can reserve a copy of your stuff by clicking on the link below, right? On one of these green button, right? Click here now. So in this green button right here, where it says click here to secure your copy and bonuses, if you click in the green button, you're gonna take you to the sales page. You're gonna take you to the sales page, this one right here. All right. So this is the sales page of Stealth. Um, this is it. So as I said, reserve your copy by clicking in one of those links, and then you should be good to go, right? So it's a very good product. I used it, and I have uh, sent my ad out, and I've received a result, which is pretty amazing. So also John will show you some pretty amazing result from his side as he's the owner of this product. So make sure you get Stealth, and you're gonna be ready to make a lot of money with this program. Um, make sure you click on the green button right now so that you can get Stealth. And one more thing, uh, John Owen is gonna teach you how to set up your Google Adwords account, right? On your first time, he's gonna like explain to you how you can get a $100 ad voucher for free, right? So that you can start your campaign, which is pretty amazing, right? So if you don't have money to spend upfront, with that voucher, you can start your campaigns for free, and that's a pretty good return on investment because you're gonna basically start for free, and then if you invest well, you can get a very good a return on investment on your ad. So that's pretty much it that I had to say. Thank you, and